Another great application for the gripper is for grooving dowels. As you can see here, this dowel has a series of shallow grooves in it that allow the air and the excess glue to escape when you're driving the dowel into its hole. Now, commercially grooved dowels are available, but not necessarily in all sizes that you want. The gripper allows you to groove dowels of any size safely and securely. Now, when grooving dowels, there's a couple things that you want to make sure to do. One is you want to make sure to use a zero clearance throat plate. That's because the opening on a stock throat plate is too wide and it allows the dowels to dive down into the hole. So outfit your saw with a zero clearance throat plate. Now, when you're using a zero clearance throat plate for a blade that's angled over, you need to use a smaller diameter blade that you'll be able to raise up through the zero clearance throat plate while it's already in place. This is simply an 8-inch diameter blade from my stacked dado set. So I've used it, and I've set one up in here with the teeth projecting just slightly. Now, being that the blade is at an angle, that creates a V-cut rather than a grooved cut. A grooved cut would be compromising your glue surface. You'd be losing glue surface. So now to groove dowels, what we do is configure the gripper with the balance support and the stabilizing plate. And you notice also that we have removed the outside leg. The reason I removed the outside leg is that with the dowel this particular size, it doesn't provide center support over it. The center leg will. So to set the gripper up, first thing you do is slide the center leg out to the edge. Then place it down on the dowel against the fence. Drop down your balance support. Lock it. Lastly, press your stabilizing plate in against the side of the dowel and lock the stabilizing plate. Now, as you can see, the dowel is locked securely in place. You can't spin it, and we'll be able to do our grooving real quickly. Now, I'm just going to very quickly saw a series of grooves in this dowel, and you'll see how fast it goes. There we go. And as you can see, the gripper handled this short piece of stock great, and it's one of the things that it really is good at, is handling short stock safely.